Hello, my name is William Rooney, and I am the author of ABC's Woodworking. I got the inspiration when my oldest son was 2 years old. He loved to be in the garage with me while I was making things, and he asked a lot of questions. He would even mimic the sounds that I would make when I moved something heavy from one side of the garage to the other. At that time, we had a ABC's for Cars book, which is my older and more expensive passion. I found that he really enjoyed that book, and I wanted something to mimic my new passion, woodworking. So I looked around online for a while and I couldn't find it, so I created it. Inside, you can find colorful illustrations of objects that you find in a typical wood shop. Right now, my youngest is 3, and he loves this book just as much as my oldest did with his car book. My hope for them is that I've sparked enough interest that we can enjoy making projects for years to come. My hope for you and yours is that you can create a memory all of your own. Now, if you do decide to order one of these today, please come back after you've used it for a while and tell your own story about how it may have helped connect you and your children to a similar passion. Thank you so much.